So we will do this activity now, create a connection in IDT. Now we are going to create do the first step, like first we'll create a project and then we will create a connection. It is just to I think I have to, this is the information design tool. So if you get access to the remote desktop, you will be connected here, and if you want to search here information design tool, you can just click INF here, so that it pops up information design tool. So once you click on that, it will ask for our username and password and the system name. So once you give that, you will be coming to this page. This is the tool view. So as we have seen in the screenshot, this is the menu bar: file, edit, actions, window, help. In under file we have new. If you, we can directly create a new project. First, we will create a new project. Later, under the project, we will create a new relational connection. After that, we will create a new data foundation. Once it is done, we will create a new business layer, and then we will publish to repository. So here it comes like you can do from here, or also you can do from this also here, a new project. Right click on new project. So that is the creation of this is a like a workflow which we have seen. New universe, open project. If you know, like if you want to open anything already existing, we can do here. We can publish to repository. We can retrieve already published universe. As I told you earlier, convert.un convert.unv resource. If the universe, as I told you, if we have created any universe with the older version, that is a universe design tool, that will be saved with the extension of .unv. So if you want to convert any older version, I mean any universe which got created using UDT, and if you want to do some changes here, you cannot directly do that. So for that, what we can do is we can convert that .unv universe to .unx. So we can select from that, or if it is from local folder or from a repository, we can select that universe and we can convert .unv to .unx, and then we can do if any enhancements are required. So this is about file options, edit, actions, window. Here the local projects means whatever are the projects created under local repository resources. Security editor is for it is used by administrators mostly to create data security, like they will set up the user profile and user access here. And project synchronization, as I told you earlier, if we are working on a shared project and if there are multiple colleagues working on the same universe, we can split the work using this. So we will go to project synchronization. We will log the universe which we want to work on. We will do the required changes there, and then we will sync it to the server. Then we will unlock that universe so that other persons can do the other remaining action. So that for that purpose, project synchronization is useful. These are the other options. Help is like some cheat sheets and some online tutorials. If you want any information on contents also, SAP provides, like if you search something, if you don't understand any topic or concept, it is they will provide some information on this, like how we get in Google. The same kind of information is available in using help contents. So that is about this to menu bar. This is the space for local projects. This is for repository resources. So if you see here, this is the session name. This is the system that we get connect to, access client 46400. It is for our training system. So these are the connections which are already created. These are saved in the connections folder. This many number of connections are already created by other people. And these are the universes created by the other people. uh, this is about the repository resources. This is a workspace which we already discussed, like here we will do everything. So I already created this project. This is a project name. I just did like a right click, new project. So we can directly go and create some project name. uh, for our demo purpose, let me show you once again. We will create here just to show you how we create BO demo, and it will be saved in this users tech July 3. So okay, we will finish. So if you see here, it is one more project got created, BO demo. So this is the first step in creating IDT. We will create a project. After that, we will create a connection. So here we will use relational connection because our database is uh, MS Access. So that is a relational database. So we will put some name as a BO demo. Here we will select as I told you already, these are all the database middleware driver selection. If we are using IBM database, then we have to go for these drivers. If you are using Oracle database, we have to go for these drivers. So that will be already defined by our project. So we do not need to worry. Uh, we can here in this case we will go for Microsoft MS Access 2007 ODBC drivers. Okay. Here we will use the data source as eFashion. Username and password we will provide here. If you see here, I created and I am just checking the connection whether it is successful or not. Test successful. Okay, we will finish. So the test connection has been created, but it is a local connection. We can right click and publish that connection to repository so that it will be a secured connection. Is here I have created one more folder. So maybe, yeah, we can, it is already there, I guess, with the same name. Finish. Same name, it already exists, it is saying. So what we can do is can change demo one, test connection. First. Otherwise, we will create with other name. New relational connection. Demo. Microsoft Access 2007 ODBC drivers. We will use the data source as eFashion here. Username. Finish. So this we will publish to repository. If you see here, the connection was published successfully. Do you want to create a connection shortcut in the same local folder to reference this new secured connection? So that if we say yes, it will be like a demo.cnx. We will have one more connection, demo.cns. CNX is a normal connection, local connection. CNS is a secured connection. So the connection shortcut is got established. So this is about how we create a connection to the database. So once we create a connection to the database, we'll also show you. Okay, we will So now we understood how we create a connection in IDT. This activity is done.